For decades, we've all used the same simple rule. 1 year for a dog is 7 human years. So, your 2-year-old dog is a teenager, and your 10-year-old cat is a wise 70-year-old. But what if that rule of thumb is wrong? What does modern science actually say about how our furry friends age? Today, we're diving into the fascinating science of pet aging. We'll uncover the new, more accurate formulas, explore the groundbreaking research that made them possible, and help you truly understand the life stage of your beloved companion. Let's get started. 1. Why the ×7 myth is wrong. The 1 dog year equals 7 human years myth is appealing because it's simple, but it's biologically inaccurate.
Here's why.
Rapid early development. A dog can reach sexual maturity within its first year. A 7-year-old human child is far from that stage. This tells us that aging isn't a linear process. It's accelerated early on and slows down later. Lifespan variation. A Great Dane has an average lifespan of 7 to 10 years, while a Chihuahua can live 15 to 18 years. Applying the same ×7 rule to both makes no sense. Size and breed matter tremendously. So, if the old rule is broken, what are scientists using instead? The answer lies in our DNA. 2. The science of epigenetic clocks. The breakthrough came from the field of epigenetics. Epigenetics is the study of changes in how our genes are expressed without altering the underlying DNA code itself. One of the most powerful epigenetic mechanisms is called DNA methylation. As we age, little chemical tags called methyl groups attach to our DNA, turning genes on or off. The pattern of these methylation marks changes so predictably that it can serve as an epigenetic clock, a highly accurate biomarker of biological age. In a landmark 2020 study published in the renowned journal Cell Systems, a team led by Dr. Trey Eidker at the University of California, San Diego, analyzed the DNA methylation patterns in over 100 Labrador retrievers, from puppies to senior dogs, and compared them to the methylation patterns in humans. They found that dogs and humans have similar age-related methylation events in comparable genome regions. This allowed them to create a formula that translates dog age into human age based on their shared biological aging process, not just lifespans. 3. The new, science-backed formula for dogs. The formula they derived isn't a simple multiplication. It's a logarithmic function, which perfectly captures that rapid aging early in life and the slowdown later on. The formula is human age equals 16 ln, dog's chronological age, plus 31. Now, ln is the natural logarithm. Don't worry, you don't need to do the math yourself. Let's break it down with some examples. A 1-year-old dog. Calculation. 16 ln 1 plus 31 is equal to 16 * 0 plus 31 is equal to 31. Verdict. Your 1-year-old pup is biologically similar to a 31-year-old human. See how that makes more sense than a 7-year-old? A 2-year-old dog. Calculation. 16 ln 2 plus 30 1 almost equals 16 0.69 plus 30 1 almost equals 42. Verdict. That teenage dog is actually like a 42-year-old human. A 7-year-old dog, the mythical 49-year-old. Calculation. 16 ln 7 plus 30 1 almost equals 16 1.95 plus 30 1 almost equals 62. Verdict. Your mature dog is biologically closer to a 62-year-old human. This formula is a huge leap forward, especially for Labradors and similar breeds. But remember, size is a critical factor. This brings us to the important caveats. 4. The importance of breed and size. While the epigenetic formula is groundbreaking, the general rule that larger dogs age faster than smaller dogs still holds true. Larger breeds tend to have more rapid growth early in life, which is associated with increased cellular damage and a higher risk of age-related diseases like cancer. The 2020 study focused on Labrador retrievers, a medium to large breed. Scientists are still refining the epigenetic clocks for different breeds and sizes. Practical takeaway: for a giant breed like a Great Dane, their biological age at 5 years old might be older than the formula suggests. For a tiny Chihuahua, it might be younger. Always consult your veterinarian for the most accurate assessment of your individual pet's life stage and health. 5. What about cats? The science for cats is less advanced than for dogs, but we're getting there. There isn't yet a widely published epigenetic formula for cats that's as precise as the dog one. However, veterinary experts and organizations like the American Animal Hospital Association, AHA, have moved away from the ×7 model. They now use a staged approach that better reflects a cat's rapid growth in year 1 and a gradual slowdown afterward. Year 1 is almost equal to 15 human years. Year 2 is almost equal to 24 human years. After that, add approximately 4 to 5 human years for each additional cat year. So, a 10-year-old cat isn't 70, it's more like a sprightly 56 to 60-year-old. Conclusion: why this matters. So, why does all this science matter? It's not just a fun trivia fact. Understanding your pet's true biological age is crucial for their health. It helps veterinarians recommend age-appropriate screenings. It guides you in choosing the right diet and exercise regimen. It allows you to be proactive about health issues common to their specific life stage. Outro and call to action. So, the next time someone asks how old your pet is in human years, you can tell them, science has given us a much better answer. Ditch the ×7 myth and embrace the power of epigenetics. The most important step you can take? Talk to your veterinarian. They can give you the best, most personalized insight into your pet's health and life stage. Thanks for watching.